A PDF of additional material accompanies this program. Simon & Schuster Audio presents The Truth About Crypto, your investing guide to understanding blockchain, Bitcoin, and other digital assets. By Ric Edelman. Read by Michael David Axtell. Forward. My aha moment on digital assets came during a discussion with Ric Edelman. But the revelation didn't come from Ric. I was interviewing him at a conference I was hosting for Barron's Hall of Fame financial advisors. To even get into the room, they had to clear a very high bar, 10 years or more as a top-ranked Barron's advisor. This was not merely an elite group. It was the elite of the elite. And 3 times Ric was number 1 in our rankings. I wanted to get a sense of the crowd. How rudimentary would we need to get in order to give them the information they needed on Bitcoin and other digital asset investment opportunities? After all, this wasn't exactly a Silicon Valley tech bro confab. Ric and I were on stage in the elegant ballroom of a 125-year-old hotel on the ocean in Palm Beach. The advisors we were addressing were mostly well past their 50th birthdays and had spent decades constructing smart, resilient portfolios of stocks, bonds, and alternative assets. They warn their clients against chasing fads, and while they take calculated risks, they manage money for people who are already rich and who don't want to have to get rich twice. I speak with financial advisors regularly in my role at Barron's, and most of them are crypto skeptics. They're used to measuring intrinsic value based on cash flow and other metrics. All digital assets, even Bitcoin and Ethereum, fail these tests. Many of the advisors work for companies that won't let them buy digital assets for client accounts, even if they want to. About half are fiduciaries, meaning they are legally bound to put their clients' interests ahead of their own. So there Ric and I were, talking to nearly 100 of his peers, the nation's most successful financial advisors. I asked them, how many of you own digital assets in your personal accounts? Well over half of them raised their hands. Shocked, I asked, how many include digital assets in client portfolios? Again, far more than half the hands in the room went up. To get around their firm's restrictions, some of the advisors quietly point clients in the right direction. That could not only get them in trouble with their compliance officers, it also could cost the advisor if clients remove funds from their accounts to buy.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?